Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Koti. So now I want to show you how to create auto scaling and load balancing. So basically, as the name suggests, I think probably it is obvious in this case. So auto scaling means it would increase the number of instances or decrease the number of instances as per our requirement. Okay. So ideally, so as and when our number of requests increases, it would span it would span out more easy to instance, and vice versa. Okay. And similarly, load balancing means, as the name suggests, it just balances load across various easy to instances. How it does is, usually, there would be more than one EC2 instances, and it would be continuously health checking. It would wait for a certain time before it decides whether certain node is healthy or not. If that node is not healthy, it informs to auto scaling group, and auto scaling group listens to load balancing, and it removes that particular instance and create new instance. Okay. So that's how auto scaling and EC2 works. I'm sorry, auto scaling and load balancing works. Okay. So now let me show you how load balancing is created. Okay. So first, let's get started. So let's EC2 load balancing. So here I choose load balancer. There are not any load balancers, so create load balancer, and yeah, I choose this application load balancer. Okay. So application load balancer, create, and here I could give the name. So EC2 uh, auto scaling, auto scaling load BALANC. Okay. So basically it is load balancing plus auto scaling. Okay. So I want it to be intranet facing it and IP4. I am fine with this one. And here this one, the default here I want just two availability zones. So basically, within a region, there could be multiple, machines. I mean, basically VPC, virtual private clouds. Okay. So within one region, there might be multiple VPCs. There would be multiple machines. Within a machine, there would be a number of availability zones, and basically. Each zone contains one subnet, so that means each zone contains, each availability zone contains one at least one EC2 instances. So so just for the sake of simplicity, let us understand this one. So each zone can contain, each region contains multiple EC2 instances. Okay. So let's keep that simple. Okay. And security groups, I just want to go with the default one. If I want, I can create, but I'm happy to go here. And target group, so here I don't have any target group, so let me create one. Okay. Instances, yes, I want to choose a type, target group, EC2 load balancing, auto scaling, auto scaling target group. Okay. HDB 80. This is fine. I don't want to change. HDB one HDB. Advanced health check settings. Number of instances. Healthy threshold 5 seconds. 5 checks. And it would wait for 5 seconds. Unhealthy threshold 2 times. And interval 30 seconds between the approximate amount of time between healthy checks of an individual. The amount of time in seconds during which no response means okay, failed checks. Okay, okay. Success codes. Okay. Next. The term cannot be longer than 30. Okay. Let me just remove some characters from that one. Load balancing. Okay. Next. You have been signed out the session. Session will have been signed out. Okay. Reload. Okay. Mm, target groups. Where is that? Target groups. So I think no, that for some reason that did not go well. So let us retry. So target group name EC2 load balancing target group. Okay. And this one, this one, this one, this one. I don't want to change anything. Just hit next and code software. I don't want to change anything here as well. Okay. Create target group. So target group is created. Let me come here. Sign in again. Reload. Okay. To be public IPv4. This one. Yeah. So I just need two zones. Those are fine for me. Two availability zones. Okay. I don't want one default security group is enough for me. Target group. We have created one. Let's select this one. And what else we can do here? Load balancers. This is fine. So here load balancer tags. No, I don't want to add any of them. Okay, let's go and create load balancer. Okay, EC2, EC2, load, little load balancer. Create load balancer. Okay, successfully creates EC2 load balancer. And now let's configure launch template. So basically, launch template is used to create load balancer. So earlier, I think it used to be launch configuration. So it looks like this is the newer version of launch template, but let me create launch template anyway. So basically launch template is used to create load balancer. So internally I think it makes use of that load balancer that we just created. Yeah, so launch template name EC2 launch template version. No, I don't want to change any of this, so that's fine. So I want to select this one, and I want to go for free tier and instance type. Second, please always make sure that you select free tier, because otherwise, you might you might be incurred with extra cost. So here also better to select T2.micro, which is free tier eligible. Okay, keep here. Okay, I have got already one. Let me make use of that one. and network settings, security groups. I don't want to change any of this because for time being I'm okay. Resources, advanced details. Okay, create launch template. Okay, so just by creating launch template, okay, nothing will happen. But actually, for the auto scaling and load balancing to kick in, we have to create this auto scaling as well, because basically load balancing only comes into picture when there are multiple, at least more than one EC2 instances. But so far we have not created EC2 instances at all. So to create EC2 instances, we need to configure auto scale. We could manually create instances one by one, that is fine, but that is not the purpose here. We don't want to create manually and then create auto scaling group, which would defeat the purpose. Okay, so actually the whole purpose of this lesson is I want to show how the instances are automatically up and running by using auto scaling and load balancing. So auto scaling EC2, auto scaling. Okay. So launch template, we have one. Okay, launch template. Okay. Okay. Next, VPC availability zones. I think earlier we have selected these two. Let me select these two as well. Okay, two zones. Balanced effort or balanced effort. I want it to be balanced. So launch available zone. Auto scaling will attempt to launch in another healthy zone. If there is some problem in availability zone. Here, if there is a problem in availability zone, it would retry in the same zone. Okay. So I want first one. No load balancer attached to an existing load balancer. Choose from your load balancer group. So yes, choose. So easy to load balancing HTTP. Okay. No VPC lattice service. So I don't want to change any of these things. Easy to health checks. Turn on elastic load balancer health checks. Turn on Amazon EBS health checks. Yes. Yes. Oh, yeah. To do that. And next, desired capacity one, minimum desired capacity. So let me change this one desired capacity to 2 and a minimum capacity as 2 and maximum capacity as 3 as well. So I think desired capacity always should be greater than or equals to minimum desired capacity. Okay, so that's why I mean I, it's okay both to be equal, but desired capacity should not be lesser than minimum desired capacity, I think. Okay, let's go with that. No scaling groups. Target scaling policy. Okay, let's choose this one because when we are using auto scaling group, there would be some reason, based on which it should auto scale, right? So yeah, I'm okay with CPU auto utilization. Okay, no policy. Enable instance scaling protection. I'm not going to. So I have created auto scaling group. So now let me go to EC2. Okay, EC2 instances. There should be two EC2 instances running. Okay, let us wait for some more time. Maybe one more might come because we have given the minimum desired capacity as 2. So there should be two. So maybe it takes some time, but let us wait. See, yeah. So here, yeah, underneath there is one we could not see. Okay, so yeah, all states, only running state. Okay, so if we so there are two instances. So just to prove the point, if I could terminate one instance, yeah, let me terminate. If I terminate one instance, auto scaling group should automatically, create one more EC2 instance. So of course it takes some time because it would do some health checks and it would wait for some time between each, health check fail, right? So it is not going to be instantaneous. So let us wait for a few seconds or maybe few minutes, and I hope it would create one more EC2 instance as well. That is because we have given minimum desired capacity as 2. Okay, let's wait. Instances. Yeah, you see, earlier it was one. Now it is just doing this thing as well. So it is created this one as well. Yeah, that's all I wanted to show in this lecture, guys. Thanks for joining. Okay, so now we have created load balancing and in auto scaling group, right? So now how to delete that, delete this configuration, because we don't want to run this forever, right? So we could directly delete these instances. That's fine. Yeah, we could do that one also. Otherwise, the other thing what we could do is we could directly clean up. Auto scaling group and load balance, that would delete these instances as well, but that would take some time. So terminate instance. Okay, let me terminate this one too. Okay, so now if I do running, there should not be any, that's fine. Now let me come back to auto scaling groups. Okay, and let me delete this one here. Actions, delete. Really we could clean up this easy to load balancer as well. So this one, delete load balancer, confirm, yeah, delete. And we could clean up this target groups as well. Target groups, action, delete, delete. And we could clean up launch template as well, I think. Yeah, delete template. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next lecture.